Hi, I'm Damien from Telephone Systems Direct. In this clip we're going to show you how to change the individual ring frequency or ringtone of an individual station. To do this you need to enter the program mode, so press the transfer key, then 111 to ring frequency. As standard they come on selection 5. You can press the volume key, that will change the individual ringtone to the different ones available. Please bear in mind that some of the IP phones nowadays have the ability to have polyphonic ringtones uploaded to them. Please speak to your engineer upon install. Transfer to exit once you are happy.